Hello guys, this is me Dr. Talha and you are watching Forex Planet. So first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. So as you can see on your screen, this is the chart of gold according to the daily candle. So let's analyze this according to the monthly, weekly, daily and H4 structure. So first of all, let's take a look on the weekly candle. So this is a weekly candle, and according to the weekly candle, the strong momentum bullish is still confirmed, and as you can see, the market that gone by in 4 weeks come down only in 2 days. As you can see, although this is a weekly candle, but you and me know that this is the movement of only 2 days, Friday and Monday. Okay. So according to this chart, this is a weekly chart, the gold next target was this level. I have explained you many times that once a support is broken, it will act as a resistance level. Same is happening here. Let's suppose, don't suppose, this is actually an example. So this was the resistance, okay. Market rejected this resistance 2 or 3 times, and now the same resistance is acting as a support here. So this is the first example that when market broken down its structure, it will reject it, it will retest its support or resistance. So here it is retesting its support that was a resistance some time ago, okay. So according to the weekly chart, the structure is complete. Let's take a look on the daily structure. This is daily structure, and if you are not mistaken, I told you this trend line, and I have already formed a trend line like that. Oh sorry, okay, let me draw it one more time. Okay, this was a trend line that was very important, and I told you 2 or 3 weeks ago when the market was here. Let me show you when the market was here, and told you if this trend line is not broken down by the market, the gold is coming too high, and as you can see, this is the area of almost 2984, and after that the market gave an aggressive move in the bullish side, and now it is giving an aggressive move in the downside direction. Okay, so now this trend line is broken down. I told you if the market, for example, this is the trend line, and if the market is holding on the trend line, then we can say that it will go up, okay. This is the sign of bullish, and for example, it is a trend line and market is holding like that, then it is a sign of bearish because it is holding below the trend line, okay. So now the gold is currently at 2984, and the market is still open when I am recording the video, and the trend line is broken down successfully. Now we have 2 opportunities. First of all, let me remove these drawings so we can talk in detail, okay. Now there are 2 opportunities. Remember the weekly analysis, I told you the next target of the gold is 2984, and the very next target is 2840 if the market is going to broken down its new support level, okay. Now there are 2 opportunities. If the market came here again and tried to hold here like that, I mean many candles hold here, then we are going to buy till this trend line. It is a move of almost 8800 plus pips towards 3050, okay. And there are possibility number 2 that the market may tomorrow give an aggressive move, broken the support level, retest the support level, and come to 2828. This is a very big bearish move. The market already have given $300 plus move in just 2 days, and now still it is destroying the market. Simply this is a crash. If you see the Bitcoin, if you will see the gold, the Bitcoin and gold both are crashing. Why? Due to tariff. I told you in my last video 103 years ago, the day considered as a black day in the US history because their tariff was increased 20%. Imagine 20% tariff, and that day is called as a black day. And yesterday, the Mr. President Donald Trump has increased the tariff 29%. It should be a black day once again in the US history. So if this is the scenario, the gold should jump. But here the investors are withdrawing their money. Why? This is the main question, and I will search about it. I will tell you about this question in my group. So if you are not in my group, you can join our group. My name is Dr. Talha and I have almost 8+ years of experience in forex market. I am a doctor also, so I like this work. I have a complete degree in this. So this is my fundamental and technical analysis according to the gold. If you are going to buy or if you are holding the positions in buy, you can simply wait for the market to 2983. If market hold here, you can take a buy entry with the stop loss just below the red surface here maybe. One more trend line I can draw here. I am just realized that if this will be a new trend line, then this is a proper X setup, and according to the X setup, the gold has to retest its new point 3050. If it will retest this, then it will be a great opportunity for the sellers as well as for the buyers. So this was all about gold according to the daily chart. Let's take a look to H4 structure. So this is a H4 structure, and I told you once again, here we have a trend line that is no more valid. Okay, I told you yesterday when I was recording the video, I advise you, if the market is holding here, then you can take a buying entry. But now as you can see, the market break the structure, it retests the zone from the lower side, and then it gave an aggressive target towards 2983. But now the next opportunity is that this is the broken structure. The market should retest this structure. If market retest this structure like that, then we are going to sell the gold once again. This is the main setup we have right now, a proper setup. If the gold is going to hit 2981, then this is the very best selling opportunity. If market hold here, once again I am saying holding, the word holding. If market hold here like that, then we will sell it. Otherwise, if market blindly break the structure, then we are going to buy it on the retest. Things are very clear. You have to learn, you have to earn as well. So this is the first point according to me. If the market break the red zone, we are in the buying. If the market retesting the red zone but not breaking it, it may give a fake bullish move like it did today. The market retest 3046, and then it gave a very aggressive move in just H4 candle like that. It may be possible. So if the market break, we will hold, or if the market retest, we can enter our trades in the selling direction. So this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for your time, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.